In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your domain in the Google Merchant Center for your Shopify store. This process is crucial for expanding your reach and enhancing your e-commerce visibility through listing products and running ads on Google's platform. We'll walk through a simple step-by-step guide to get your domain verified and claimed. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to www.google.com/retail. Once you're there, locate the sign in button and click on it. You'll need to select Sign in to Merchant Center, which will direct you to the Google Merchant Center's dashboard. Ensuring that you land on the correct page is essential, as it's the gateway to managing your online store's visibility on Google. Once you've successfully signed in, look to the left corner panel of the Merchant Center. Here you'll find an option labeled Business Info. Select that option, then navigate to Details. This area serves as your main hub for setting up all essential business information, including verifying your online store. Next, under the Your Online Store section, there is an option labeled Confirm Online Store link. Click on this to proceed to the next step, where you're going to input your store's URL. It's important to double check this URL to avoid any errors in the verification process. You can either type it in manually or paste it directly if you have it copied elsewhere. After entering your URL, you'll be prompted to select how you want to verify your domain. Google provides several verification methods such as HTML file upload, meta tag addition, or using third-party hosting services. Choose the option that best suits your technical comfort level or matches what your Shopify store setup supports. For most Shopify users, using a meta tag in your site's HTML is a common and relatively straightforward method. With your preferred verification method chosen, follow the on-screen prompts carefully. This is where Google guides you step by step through the process of integrating this verification into your site. Each method will have slightly different steps, so ensure you're following the prompts closely. Once you have successfully followed the prompts, click on the Verify button. Google will then check your website to confirm everything is in order. This may take a short moment, so be patient while Google examines your setup. Once you've gotten through this, and if everything is set up correctly, you'll receive confirmation that your domain has been verified. This verification means your domain is claimed, paving the way for you to begin utilizing the Google Merchant Center fully. Now that your domain is verified and claimed, you're all set to start listing your products and running ads via the Google Merchant Center. This powerful tool can significantly enhance your store's online reach, offering new opportunities to grow your business. Congratulations on taking this crucial step towards optimizing your digital storefront.